Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're doing some absolutely wonderful Chinese pork. We've got oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce. We've got some lovely stuff going on there. Really beautiful. Doesn't take that long. Let's go and take a look at what we need. Okay, so here's our pork. We're going to do this first and then we'll show you all the rest of the ingredients. I've got pork belly here, and as you can see, we've got quite a lot of fat on that. We're going to render this down, so we're going to cook this first and render it down a bit. Get rid of a lot of this fat. A load of fat's going to come out of that. Now what I've done with this, I've cut it into this size, and I've also taken the skin off. If you want, you can keep the skin on. Let's go over to the cooker, get this rendered. Okay, so I've got a little wok here with a touch of oil in. Now I'm putting oil in just so it doesn't stick to the pan, but a lot of oil is going to come out of this. We're simply going to drop all of our cut belly pork in there. You see all that white obviously is fat. We need to kind of, like I say, cook it down, otherwise it's going to be too fatty. We're going to knock some black pepper in there and some salt, and I'm going to fry this around on a fairly lively heat for about 5 or 6 minutes. You'll see the result when we're done. Okay, off goes the heat. We've got some really nicely cooked pork here. But can you see there's a load of fat in there? So what we're going to do is we're going to drain the fat off, and if you want, keep that and use that for something else. And then we've got our meat separately, nicely cooked, ready for the wok. So there you go, look, all of that. We've got rid of that, which is great. There's our pork. Let's move on. Okay, so there's our pork that we rendered, beautifully seasoned, ready to go. Then some vegetables. So we're going to use some broccoli and some bell peppers today, cut, nice bit of colour. In here I've got some onions. There's like one medium-sized onion. And then here we go, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are a tablespoon each, equal amounts of soy sauce, ketchup, sriracha or chili sauce, oyster sauce, and fish sauce. And there I've got some chopped garlic, like 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. If you wanted, you could be doing ginger in there as well. Super easy. We've done the hard work here now. Over to the wok. Okay, so I've got a much larger wok now, and this is actually a wok. Wok meaning that the metal is very thin, unlike that last one that I just rendered it in. This is very thin and gets hot really quickly and holds its heat while the flame is still on. Anyway, got some oil in there. What we're going to do is drop in this onion, the garlic, like I say, plenty of garlic there, and if you wanted, like I say, you could put some ginger in this as well. And then let's get our pork in there. So high heat all the way, maximum heat. Let's throw this around in our wok for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is going to be wonderful, really. Beautiful. Now we're going to add in our broccoli, our bell peppers, and if you wanted, mushrooms, zucchini, carrots, all can work in here. Let's go for another 2 minutes, keep it moving. Wonderful. Now I'm going to add a splash of water in there. That's going to help our vegetables cook because they're still very crunchy. And then we're going to start adding. Let's go with our fish sauce. Fish sauce, very salty. Oyster sauce, wonderful flavour. Chili sauce or sriracha, whatever you want to use, quite mild. Ketchup, loads of sugar in there. And some soy, all equal parts, like a tablespoon each for this amount. Keep it moving, 2 more minutes, this is done. Okay, off goes the heat. Delightful. Now we didn't add any salt because, well, we did at the beginning with the pork, a bit of salt and pepper, but the soy is salty, the fish sauce is salty. Really, I don't think there's any need. Check it out and taste it. If you wanted, you could put some fresh chilli in there or some green onions to finish it off. But for me, that is a wonderful little easy pork wok. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of